Hello, welcome back. This is just a quick unboxing video of the original Braid tree hair rack which I got from Amazon. Check the link in the description box for the product. Has honestly made sectioning braids much more easier compared to previously, and I highly recommend it for those of us who braid our own hair and as well as clients. It's decent in size with adjustable length, so you can do it while sitting down, standing. It's also lightweight, meaning you can carry it around. I highly recommend this braiding rack, and do get yourself one. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Blessings.